All right, hey, how's it going? It's Christmas Day. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas or a Happy Holiday. I hope you're all doing well, but this video is just about having some fun, but having something very informative for trading, and it is a Christmas themed way to, and what makes this indicator, it actually has, I think, 7 indicators on it. And it's in the form of a Christmas tree, and it also has a reindeer, and like I said, it's Christmas themed, and I think there's some stars they put out there. So without further ado, how do you find this Christmas themed or holiday themed indicator? You just go up here, you're in TradingView, it's free. You go up here into indicators, and then you'll just type in Christmas Toolkit by Lux. I'll go right here. We'll click that. Sometimes it takes a real while to come up, and as you can see, you got the reindeer here. I believe if he's charging ahead, that's a bullish sign. But of course, you got the little snowflakes in here, and you've got well, it's snowflakes. I thought they were stars. Let's get to it though. We got better things to do on our holiday. Just throwing out something fun here to trade. And here I've got Amazon on this wonderful Christmas holiday day, December 25th. And I've got Amazon. Did I mention that? We've got just a reindeer running across. That means it's bullish. And also, you got the Christmas tree. Now, the Christmas tree is interesting. It has these ornaments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 7, so my memory is not fading yet. It has these RSI, Stosh, close, greater EMA 20, EMA 20, EMA 50, EMA 100, EMA 200. So it's very simple to use. These, if these ornaments are green, and even the RSI, it's kind of small, my thing, but when you put this indicator in yourself, you'll see what I'm talking about. The Christmas tree, of course, stands out pretty well. And you can use this anytime, just not during Christmas. You can use it now, and I like this Christmas tree is just going crazy just for my video. But you can still see the ornaments. You can make it thicker. If you go to settings right here, style, inputs, width, I think you can make the width 100, and then hopefully it will just keep it like that. Now, just for you guys, it's going crazy. You can stick the eyes and it will come off, but the settings, this is how you can change, the width. You can do 300, and it should, in theory, get wider. But mine, for some reason, is going in and out. But anyways, it's still showing the ornaments. Still a nice indicator. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are green. 1 red. That means we're basically in a bull market. With this one, you could buy. There goes the Christmas tree. Yes. It's okay. So it's just something fun for Christmas or the holidays, or you can use this for any time that you get bored trading. I hope you all are having a great holiday, and I hope you're having a safe holiday, and I hope you have a Happy New Year coming up. And I'm keeping this short and sweet because we have better things to do. Remember, this is not trading advice. This is just educational information. I hope you, as I said, we will see you on the next trade.